It's a dream come true for the people of Kashmir. For the first time in the history, the Vande Bharat is all set to enter in the Kashmir Valley. Right now, we are reporting from the railway station in the Srinagar. You can see the adequate security cover have been put in place. This will be for the first time that the Vande Bharat is going to enter in the Kashmir Valley. This will be the trial run, and the formal inauguration will be done by the Prime Minister in the first week of the February. Vande Bharat has its own specification, and it has been designed keeping in view of the terrain and weather factors of the Kashmir Valley. It can, be the anti-freezing and heating system is there. Many of the things have been put in place to ease the comfortabilities of the passengers all across. And you can see from the other side that the security has been put on a high alert mode. The security has been heightened across the tracks from where the Vande Bharat train is expected to arrive. And at 8 a.m. they had a track from the Katra and is going to expect from the Kashmir routes by the 10:30. Eventually, it has gained the popularity among the people because a lot of the publications, lot of the publicity have been done. You can see that the snifing dogs have also been put in place to ensure the foolproof security cover. And this will be a gift. This trial will be the gift for the people of the Kashmir on the eve of the Republic Day. And eventually, all the preparations have been put in place. The final run has been done in order to make sure that in the first week of the February, this will be on the track. I'm joined by one of a local from the Kashmir Valley. Sir, Vande Bharat आ रही है क्योंकि आपने भी सुना होगा वंदे भारत की सुपर स्पेशलिटी ट्रेन है, हाई स्पीड ट्रेन है. तो आपको कैसा लग रहा है कि ट्रेन जो है फाइनली अब इनॉग्रेट होने वाली है, आज ट्रायल रन उसका पूरा होगा?
मेरे ख्याल से एज ए लेमैन कंसर्न मेरे ख्याल से ऐसा लग रहा है कि कनेक्टिविटी बढ़ेगी, कारोबार में टूरिज्म बढ़ेगा, ट्रैफिक जाम का भी इशू सॉल्व हो जाएगा, मतलब आवाजाही में चर्चा बढ़ जाएगा टूरिज्म.
All right, cutting across to Yawar, who will, of course, join us with the latest as far as this is concerned. Yawar, good morning to you once again. Given the aspect of the fact that, this is just not about any other train, it also talks about volumes, in fact, about Indian railways and the connectivity that the people of the region will have with the rest of the country. Having said that, trial run today, but more importantly, in this larger scheme of things, this is going to be huge for the region.
Well, exactly. This is a major boost for the tourism and the connectivity in the Kashmir Valley because this is the first and the final trial of the Vande Bharat, which was, in the morning it was in Katra, and after 3 hours it's in the Srinagar. And right now we are in that dream come true train, which has been the dream for the Kashmiri people, because eventually this was a long pending demand for the people that it should be thrown open and it should be on a track, because if you talk about the highways, it kept on a high zone, and there has been a lot of the issues that the people of the Jammu and Kashmir, especially to the people traveling on this highway, faced especially in the winters. But eventually this connected train from Srinagar to the Katra will ease out the comfortabilities and will also ease out the travel plans as well. As we spoke to the chief area manager, he also said that this is a economy, this is a backbone, is going to be the backbone for the people of the Kashmir in terms of the economy, in terms of the tourism boom, and in terms of the other industries that will eventually provide the employment generation in the Kashmir Valley. So finally this is here, and there is the expectation that the Prime Minister is going to inaugurate this train in the first week of the February from the Katra railway station, and after that he is expected to hold a mega rally adjacent to that. So finally the Vande Bharat is in Jammu and Kashmir. Back to you.
All right, Yawar, you also seem very happy that this has come into full effect, and perhaps now we all have a reason as to how to get to the winter wonderland with the aspect of this train that's going to be connecting the rest of the country. But thank you very much for joining us with that. We leave it at that for the moment.